Hello, I'm Mariana King, and this is Where the Sidework Ends. Today I'm making blueberry pie. It's a buttery, flaky lattice crust filled with all the antioxidants you could possibly need for a day. Let's get started. For the pie crust, you need 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and half a cup of ice-cold water. Cube the butter in 1/4-inch pieces and chill. Combine the flour, salt, and sugar in a medium bowl. Toss the butter cubes to coat, then smash each butter cube between your thumb and index finger to flatten. When all the butter cubes have been flattened, stir in the ice-cold water and mix with your hands until the dough pulls away from the side of the bowl. On a floured surface, roll out the dough to a 1/4-inch thick rectangle, fold it into thirds, then wrap in plastic and chill for 30 minutes. To prepare the lattice, take half of the pie crust dough, roll it into a 1/8-inch thickness, and cut it into 2-inch wide strips. Arrange these strips in a basket weave pattern on a parchment sheet, and place that sheet to chill in the refrigerator or the freezer until you're ready to use. The filling starts with 1 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of finely ground tapioca, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Plus 20 ounces of cultivated blueberries and 10 ounces of wild blueberries. Frozen berries are absolutely fine here, and if you use frozen berries, they don't need to be thawed. Combine the sugar, tapioca, lemon zest, juice, and black pepper. Add this to the berries in a large bowl and stir to combine. Pour the berries into a prepared, uncooked pie crust shell. Top the filled pie with the lattice crust. Roll and crimp the edges. Brush with a bit of egg wash, just 1 egg beaten with a tablespoon of water. Cook in a 425-degree oven until the crust is puffed and brown and the filling is bubbling in the center. Chill for 2 hours at room temperature before you serve. I absolutely love a lot of buttery, flaky crust with my blueberry pie because the blueberries are so tart and bright. That buttery, flaky texture is a nice companion to it. I love to serve a blueberry pie with lemonade, which is nice and zingy and complements the blueberries as well. But you could certainly enjoy this with coffee or tea or with a scoop of ice cream for dessert. I hope you enjoy this pie as much as I do. Let me know if you give it a try, and I'll see you again soon, where the Sidework Ends.